Wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Today I want us to talk about power. What is power? What does power mean? And how can we actualize power? Power can be defined as the capacity to influence behavior. If we say the government is powerful, what do we mean? We mean by the fact that if the government says curfew today is 9, then no one will be out after 9, right? So what have they done? They have influenced our behavior. Having said that, all of us have power within us. And that is the most important kind of power, is the power that we have within. So how do you get the power within and bring it outside and have it have a positive impact? So there are 3 things we're going to look at today. First is awareness.